Hello everyone, how are you all? Are you okay? So, are you able to listen to me? Is my voice clear? Write in the chat box, children, if my voice is clear or not. Okay, fine. Okay, very thanks. So today we are going to study on this whiteboard, okay? And nobody is allowed to write anything on the whiteboard. कोई भी व्हाइट बोर्ड पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखेगा. एंड इफ यू आर स्टडीइंग विद योर मोबाइल तो आप अपने मोबाइल को लैंडस्केप मोड पे कर लो, यानी रोटेट कर लो स्क्रीन को. ओके फाइन. So no, do not write anything on the whiteboard first of all. So let us start today's class. uh, Today we are going to study exercise 11C. Okay, exercise. Okay, wait a minute. So we are today going to study exercise 11C, and first question is question 1. Rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in ratio 5:3. This is the question. How much does each get? Okay, so the ratio is given. Ratio is 5:3 and amount is rupees 120. So 120 rupees is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in this ratio. Okay, children, in ratio 5:3, we have to divide 120 rupees between Hari and Gopi. Beta, do not write anything. What I am saying to you, do not write anything on the whiteboard और मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि कौन लिख रहा है, फिर सीधे मैं क्लास से बाहर करूंगा. ये मत सोचना कि मुझे पता नहीं चल पाएगा. ठीक है? Do not write anything on the whiteboard. So we have to divide rupees 120 in the ratio 5:3 between Hari and Gopi. So how are you going to do between Hari and Gopi? So first of all, in these types of question in which you have to divide the given sum of money in the given ratio, what you have to do, beta, these types of questions are very simple. you just have to find the sum of the, यार ये क्या होता है, टाइम हो जाता है, आप लोग ज्वाइन करते रहते हो, व्हाई डोंट यू ज्वाइन बिफोर 5 minutes टू द क्लास? आप क्लास से 5 मिनट पहले ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं करते हो? फाइंड द सम ऑफ रेशियो 5 plus 3. Okay, what are the ratio? If you look at here, the ratios are 5 and 3, so you will write 5 plus 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8. So you will say that Hari will get is equal to, what will Hari get? You will say the ratio for Hari, which is 5, upon total ratio, means the sum of the ratio, which is 8, into total amount of money, which is 120. So solve this and find the answer. Solve this and find the answer. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are 15. तो बेटा 15 into 5 यानी के it means 75. Okay, so 75 rupees. So Hari will get 75 rupees. Now Gopi will get, what is the ratio for Gopi? The ratio for Gopi is 3. Look at this. 3 upon total, which is 8. 3 upon 8 into total sum of money 120. Okay. So again, you will, when you will divide 120 by 8, as you see here, 15 I have got. So 3 into 15, 45 rupees. Okay. So the answer is Hari will get 75 rupees and Gopi will get 45 rupees. This is the answer. Take a screenshot if you want, so that we can go for the second question. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Next, question 2. Question is saying divide 72 in the ratio 2 whole 1 upon 2 and 1 whole 1 upon 2. So the ratio is 2 whole 1 upon 2 and 1 whole 1 upon 2. So first change mixed fraction into improper. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2, ratio 2 2s are 1 plus 1, 3, 3 upon 2. So this is the simplest form of the ratio. Now the value which we have to divide is 72. So we have to divide 72. Okay, so we have to divide 72 in this given ratio. So how are we going to do that? First, you have to find the sum of the ratio. Okay, now you will say, sum of ratio is equal to 5 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. So beta, denominators are same. Good morning, Lavisa, but you just focus on the whiteboard. Okay, so 2 is LCM, 5 plus 3, you will get 8 upon 2, which means 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 is the sum of the ratio. Now, first part, if you will divide 72 in this ratio, the first part you will get what? You will say the first ratio 5 upon 2. you will write 5/2 upon total, which is 4, multiply 72. So how are you going to solve it? 5/2 multiply, because this is not 4, actually this is 4/1. So I have told you, when you are having 4 numbers in divide, so you just write the first fraction as it is and multiply, then reciprocate the second fraction. So 4/1 become 1/4 into 72. Now solve this and find the first part. Don't say good morning and don't say these kind of unnecessary things, beta. Just focus on your study. So when you are going to solve this whole part, what are you going to get? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 2 6 are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So 5 into 9, 45. So the first part is 45, and now you just solve for the second part. Second part, what you will say? First, the ratio for oh, okay. So the ratio for second part is 3/2 upon total, which was 4, into 72. Now solve this. 3/2 into 1/4 into 72. So 2 ones are 2, and 36, 9. So 9 threes are 27. So your answers are, what are your answers? Your answers are, first answer is 45 and second answer is 27. Now if you will add 45 and 27, look at this, 45 plus 27, what you will get? 72, which was your whole value. So in this way you can check your answer also. So if we will divide 72 in this 5/2 and 3/2 ratio, we will get first part 45 and second part 27. Take a screenshot of this also. Taken? Okay. Question 3. Divide 81 into 3 parts. Ratio is given. Question is, this is question 3. Question is saying, divide 81 into 3 parts in ratio, and the ratio is 2:3:4. Okay, so first find sum of the ratio. First find, and children, this is the thing that you have to do in every question. The first step should be find the sum of the ratio. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. This is the sum of the ratio. Now you have to divide 81 into 3 parts. So first part will be, what is the ratio for the first part? 2. So you will write 2 upon total 9 into total value, which is 81. So you will write 81. So your answer is going to be 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, and 9 twos are 18. Okay, so this is basically, this is your first part. Now find the, in the same way find the second part beta and find the third part. Chalo jaldi se. I want each and everyone to find the second and third part. And write your answer. Richa, Ali, okay. सर रिकॉर्डिंग आप कर रहे हैं तो बेटा और कौन करेगा बेटा? यस, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूं, ताकि रिकॉर्डिंग करने के बाद ये वीडियो मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड कर दूंगा, तो जो बच्चे नहीं क्लास ज्वाइन कर पाते किसी वजह से, तो उसके बाद वो वहां पे भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन अटेंडेंस आपकी नहीं लगेगी, ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। 940. Okay, just solve the question for second and third part also. Betas, solve for second and third part fast. So for second part, you will say, for second part, okay, so second part, what is the ratio for second part, beta? 3. Okay, so you will write 3 upon total 9 into 81, total value which was 81. Okay, so 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 18, 81, so 9 threes are 27. This is the answer of second part. Now let us do the answer for third. So you will say, what is the ratio for third part? 4. So you will say 4 upon total, which was 9, into the total value, which was 81. So 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, 4 into 9, 36. So beta, your answers are 18, 27 and 36. Now add for to check your answer, 18, 27 and 36. Add and check if the answer is 81 or not. So 14 plus 7, 1, carry 2, 81. So your answer is 81. It means that your answers are correct. Okay, take a screenshot of this question also, beta. Fast. Only 37 participants are there. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now I'm removing all the drawings. Now the next question is question number 4. And the question is divide rupees 10,400 among A, B, and C in the ratio 1/2 ratio 1/3 ratio 1/4. So the total value now is given is 10,400, and we have to divide in 3 parts, A, B, and C, and the ratio is given. Clear? So we will do the same thing which we have done in the previous question. First, find the sum. Okay, find the sum of ratio. So 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. So beta, what is the LCM of 2, 3, and 4? Who will tell? What is the LCM of 2, 3, and 4? Very good, 12. So write 12 here. Now, 2 6 are 12. So you will write 6 plus 3 4s are 12. Write 4. And 4 3s are 12. Write 3 here. Okay. So your answer is 4 plus 6 plus 4. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13/12. This is the sum of the ratio. Okay. This is not the answer. This is the sum of the ratio. Now, beta, we have to find the A's part, B's part, and C's part. Okay. So we will write A's part is equal to, what is the ratio for A? 1/2. Okay. Don't forget it. 1/2. And then divide this by total, which is 13/12. Multiply, beta, multiply by 10,400. Okay, 10,400. So just solve it. So you will write 1/2. Okay, So you will write 1 upon 2 as it is. Again, I am telling you, if there are two fractions in divide, okay, there are two fractions. Now look at this, there are two fractions in divide. So if you are having this condition, what you are going to do, you are just going to write the first fraction as it is, and then use multiplication sign and reciprocate the other fraction. It is 13 upon 12, write 12 upon 13 into 10,400. Beta, solve this and find A's part. So what you are going to get here, you just check if 10,400 is divided by 13 or not. Check if 10,400 is divided by 13 or not. 10,400 is divided by 13 or not. Yes, it is 13. Sorry, it is divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 and 13 eights are, okay, 104. So you will get 800. So 1 upon 2 into 12 upon 1 into 800 beta. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Finally, you have got 6 into 800, which means 4800 rupees. This is the answer. Okay. So this is A's part. Similarly, you are going to find B's part and C's part. B's part and C's part. First, take a screenshot because I have to remove it. Take a screenshot. So A's part was this, and now solve for B's part. What is the fraction for B? 1 upon 3. So write 1 upon 3 multiply total 13 upon 12, but you have to reciprocate it. So 12 upon 13 we will write into what was the total value? 10,400. So 10,400. So 13 ones are 13, 13 eights are 104 and 20 as it is, and 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So finally you have got 4 into 800. So what is your answer? 3200. Okay, 3200. Now find the C's part and tell me the answer. I'm not gonna solve it. You are going to solve it. Fast. Find C's part. Is there anyone who can do this? Children, you have to find the C's part. Shall I tell? Okay, Ali has given me the answer. Let's now do this. The ratio for C is 1 upon 4. So you will write 1 upon 4 divided by the sum of the ratio, which is 13 upon 12, multiply 10,400. So you will write 1 upon 4 multiply 12 upon 13 into 10,400. 13 ones are 13, and here you will get 800. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So the answer is 3 into 800, which is, what is the answer? 3 into 800? 2400. So your answers are, first answer is 4,800. Second answer is rupees 3,200, and third answer is rupees 2,400. Is it clear? Beta, it is 2,400. It's not, Sarah, it's not beta 24,000. 10 you have added extra. It's 2,400. You have written 24,000. Okay. So take a screenshot of the full question so that we can do question 5 now. Okay. Question 5. A profit of rupees 2,500 is to be shared among 3 persons in the ratio 6:9:10. How much does each person get? So you will write profit is given, which is 2,500 rupees. Okay. And the ratio which is given to you is 6:9:10. In this ratio, you have to divide 2,500 among 3 persons. Okay. So first find sum of ratio. Beta, wahi the same thing which I have told you. Beta, find the sum of the ratio 6 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, Jatin has found. So what is the answer? 10 plus 6, 16 plus 9, 25. This is the sum of the ratio. Now find the share of first person. Share of first person is equal to, what is the ratio for first person? 6 upon what is total? 25 into the total money 2,500. Okay. So 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, 100 you have got. Now 6 into 100 is 600. This is rupees 600. This is the first part. Okay. Now share of second person. Share of second person is equal to, beta, what is the share of the second person? The share of the second person was 9. So 9 upon what was total? 25 into what was the total money? 2,500. So 25 was a 25, 25 was a 2500. So 9 into basic calculation you have to do in this question, 900 rupees. Okay, rupees 900. This is the share of second person. Now find the share of third person on your own. Better fast. I just want to check who can do this question, this part very first. Okay, very good. Jatin, Arpan, Jatin again, Ali Jafri, and any other? What is the share of third person, beta? Aditya, Adarsh, any other? You will write. Okay, Daksh, Sara. So the share of third person is, you can say ratio is 10, 10 upon 25 into 2,500. So this is 10 into 100, which means 1,000. Beta, it's not 10,000. Beta, it's not 10,000. It's 1,000. Sara, अरीबा, तानिया, रिचा, ये सारे लोगों ने 10,000 आंसर दिया है. But actually the answer is 1,000. Okay, now add. What are the answer first of all? The answers are the share of first person is 600, share of second person is 900, share of third person is 1,000. So now add all of them. If you are going to add 600 and 900 and 10,000, what you are going to get, beta? You are going to get 2,500. It means that your answers are correct. You can check your answer in this way. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot fast. Very good, Rukaiya. You are doing very well. No, Talha, beta, it's not 1,000 or 16,000, beta. Okay, the video is running out of the time. So if the video gets stopped before the time, you can join the class again without informing me, okay? The next question which I'm going to explain is question 6. And question 6 is saying, which color shall I use? Isme actually there are a lot of colors. So question 6 is the angle of a triangle are in this ratio. The angles of a triangle are in this ratio. Find the greatest and the smallest angle. So the question is the angles of a triangle are in ratio 3 ratio 7 ratio 8. 3 ratio 7 ratio 8. Find smallest and greatest angle. So beta, you know that in a triangle, what is the sum of all the angles? Beta, what is the sum of all the angles? Do you know? 180, very good. So you will write sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now find the sum of the ratios. Sum of ratio, which is 3 plus 7 plus 8 means 18. Okay. Now we do not have to find all the three angles. We just have to find the smallest and greatest angle. So which will be the smallest angle? The 3 is the lesser number and the 8 is the greatest number in this ratio. So the angle of ratio 3 will be the smallest and the angle of ratio 8 will be the greatest. So we will say smallest angle is equal to, what is the ratio of smallest angle? 3 and total is 18 into multiply by 180. Okay, 18 ones are 18, 18 ones are 18, 10. So 3 into 10 is 30 degree. So beta, this is the smallest angle. And now find the greatest angle. Greatest angle. So for this, you will, what is the ratio for greatest? 8. And what is the total? What is the sum of the ratio? 18 into total angle 180. So 8 into 10, 80 degrees. This is the answer. So the smallest angle is 30 degree and the greatest angle is 180 degree. Again, take a screenshot. And it is better for you that you keep your pen and pencil, whatever, or your copy with yourself and keep noting it down in your copy as I'm teaching. So suppose you are teaching in a, you are just studying in a class and you are watching the whiteboard. As you used to note down the notes from the whiteboard in your class, you can note down these questions also in your copy. Okay. So the next question is question 7. Question says the side of a triangle are in ratio 3 ratio 2 ratio 4. Sides of a triangle are in, okay, very good Saravaji. Sides of a triangle are in ratio 3 ratio 2 ratio 4 beta. Okay. So if the parameter of the triangle is given, the parameter of triangle is 27 centimeter. Find the length of each side. So beta, first of all, what is the formula of parameter? You will write parameter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Okay, sum of all sides. It means that sum or what is the parameter? Sum of all side is given, which is 27 centimeter. Okay, now what you have to do? Find of sum of the ratio. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, this is the sum of the ratio. So first side, you will write first side is equal to, what is the ratio of the first side? 3. 3 upon what is the total? 9 into and the length of all side 27. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, and 3 into 3 is 9 centimeter. This is the length of the first side. Now second second side is equal to, what was the ratio of the second side? 2 upon total 9 into 27. So 2 into 3 gives 6 centimeter. This is the length of the second side. Now find the length of the third side. So what is the ratio for the third side? So you can simply watch here. The ratio for the third side is 4. So you will write 4 upon total 9 into total sum of all lengths is 27. So 9 threes are 27, the 4 threes are 12 centimeter. Now if you will add 9, 6 and 12, you will get 9, 6 and 12. This you will do in rough. Okay, you will get 27. So it means that our answers are correct. 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter. These are the length of 3 sides of a triangle. Okay. Is it clear? So this was question 7. Now 3 questions are left. I want you to do those 3 questions in your homework. So beta, what is your homework? Today your homework is exercise. This is exercise 11C. Question 1 to 10 you have to do in your homework. Okay, and this is all for today. Thank you.